Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to Access Apps, then tap on Default Apps, and finally click on one of those options that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now just tap on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!